In this video, I will be showing you the issue, which is that LG monitors troubleshooting no audio or volume. So this is the complete guide how you guys can fix this issue. So if you're new to the channel, make sure that you like the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future updates. So first thing first, check the correct playback device is selected. Disconnect and reconnect the cable between the monitor and the connected device. Click volume button to open the sound menu. Select the above icon to open the selected playback devices list to see the available devices. Click on the desired sound device and ensure the volume is up on the monitor and connected devices. Then retry. Restart the computer. After restarting the computer, replace the cable if the issue still persists, turn off the monitor and external devices, swap out the HDMI cables, power on the monitor and external devices, and retry. So this will fix the issue. If the issue still persists, you can always contact the help support agents. I hope you find this video helpful. Take care. Bye bye.